Happy Wednesday, first graders! I can't wait for 2 o'clock to Zoom with you. Did you already take a sneak peek at the scavenger hunt and did you find things on it? I can't wait for you to show me what you find for an invented item in your house. Let's review our math for the week. We were finding different ways we could add and make 10. We finished the first row. Let's do the second row. 8 plus 4 more. Does 8 and 4 make 12? 8 and 4 does make 12. Does 8 and 4 make 10? No, it does not. Cross that out. 7 and 3 make 10. Yes, it does. And I am going to just, circle it for time wise. Does 9 and 1 make 10? Yes, it does. Does 4 and 5 more make 10? Almost, so close. 9, and 9 is very close to 10, but it's not 10. No, it does not. 10 and 0. If I have 10 and you get nothing else, does it equal 10? Yes, it does. 6 and 5. Does 6 and 5 make 10? No, it does not. Cross that out. 8 and 2. Get that larger number in your head. If I have 8 and I add 2 more, does that make 10? Yes, it does. 4 and 6. Bigger number first, the larger number first. So 6 and 4. 6 and 4 make 10? Yes, it does. 5 and 4. Well, 4 and 5 doesn't make 10. Does 5 and 4 make 10? It's the same. So no, does not make 10. 3 and 7 more. Does 3 and 7 make 10? Yes. Yes, it does. 5 and 5 more. Does 5 and 5 make 10? Yes, it does. 0 and 10. Oh, we did that. 0 and 10. Does 10 and 0, 0 and 10 make 10? Yes, it does. 2 and 9. 9 and 2. Get the larger number in your head and add on. 9 and 2 more. Nope, does not make 10. How did you do? Give me a thumbs up if you did well. Great job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Our counting by tens. Let me just put my cover on my marker so it doesn't dry out. Counting by tens. We did all the way up to 40. Let's count to review. 10, 20, 30, 40. I heard it. 50. 50 is next. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 would be next. It's pouring cats and dogs. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. It's a very light mist drizzle. You go slow. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I heard you. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The digit in the tens place goes up by 1 each time. So what comes after 8? 9. They all have a 0 in the ones place. Oh, I think you know which one is next. Well, it's the only one left. 100. How'd you do? Give yourself a star. Well done. We are filling in the coconut's missing numbers. Let's do that first. We're going to find the pattern here. Oh, that looks very familiar. So what number is missing? I heard you say the number 20. You are right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now let's look at the next one. What number's missing? Looking at that pattern, look at 0, 5, 0, 5. I know it must end in a 0. 2, 2, 3, 3. There's 2 2s. There's 2 3s. What's going to be next? 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 4, 0. Now, is it an odd or an even? Remember, even numbers count by 2. That's the easy thing to do. Every number has a mate and ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So, if it has a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6, or 8, we're golden. It's a 2. We're going to color it. It's an even. It's a 2. 4. Okay. 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Oh, they made this so easy for us. 6. Yep. It's an even. 2, 4, 6, 8. I think they heard our poem. 10. 10 ends with a 0. See that 0 at the end? It ends in 0. That means it's even. We had a whole row of even numbers. Who knew? 10, 10. Ends in a 0. It's even. Ends in a 0. It's even. I'm finding something a little funny. This whole row ends in 0s. That means this whole row is, they're all even. And this one. And this one. All even numbers. They all end in 0. Ooh. Well, that means this one, you're right, it's even. And this one? No, because it's a 5. 2, 4, 6, 8. We don't say 5. Nope. It's not even, it's odd. But 30 would be even. No. Yes. How did you do? Give yourself a smiley face. Great job. Oh, I need to get the crayons for this one. Hold on. We needed the blue for the penny. The green. Which green is that green? Well, it might have to be a different green. A red and a yellow. And if you didn't have those colors, it's okay to do them different colors as long as you kept them the same. Because I know sometimes crayons go missing. Penny was blue, nickel's green, a dime is red, and a quarter is yellow. We almost finished this side. What's this? It says 1 cent. That would be a penny. A penny is 1. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. That's a penny. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna come back to it. That says dime, so I know it's a dime, dime, dime. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. And dime is red. Dime. Oh, I can tell right away who that is. Blue. That's our penny. Oh, that's really big. So that's a quarter. Quarter. Quarter, quarter. Big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. There's that quarter. See how I skipped the one I didn't know? And go back to it. I know the big ones are the quarters. Now, dime. Dimes are little, and those are the smallest ones. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Do you notice something? The 3 I have left, these 2 are the same, and they match. This one matches too. They're my nickels. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5, I know that. How'd you do on that page? Really good? Great! Give yourself whatever you want. A star, a heart, a smiley face, a sunshine. We have 1 page left. Find that orange marker. Let's finish this top row. We had 1/4 and 2/3. Now we have just 1/2. 1/2. If I have 2 parts, 1 colored in. 1/2. And I know from the work you're sending me, yours looks so much better than mine. 1/3. 1/3. I have 3 pieces, so that's my denominator. My denominator's a 3 because there's 3 pieces. 1 colored in. 1/3. Oh, great question. No, it doesn't matter which piece of your 1/3 is colored in. If I didn't color this one in, it could have been this one, or it could have been this one. It doesn't have to be that one piece. So any of those 3 would count. Great question. I didn't write it. You don't have to write it, but it's good to see it. 2 halves. 2 halves. I have this half and I have this half. And when I have 2 halves and I put them together, that makes, yes, 1 whole. So the whole thing. They tried to trick us. It didn't work. We're too smart. 1/2 and 1/2. That makes 1 whole. 2/4. 3/3. Oh, if I have 3 pieces and all 3 are colored in, what's that going to be? Yes, 1 whole, just like this one. I've got my 3 pieces. All 3 are there. I need to color them all in. Okay, 1 left. 4/4. No way. How come I saved the easy ones for you guys to do all by yourselves? 4/4. Well, there you have it. How'd you do? You did great, I know. Great job. See you soon at 2 o'clock. Don't forget, we do our scavenger hunt. See you real soon.